Hi friends, I am Dr. A. Sutar, Associate Professor, Department of Zoology, SGM College, Karad. Today we are going to learn about the exotic breeds of the goats. So in the previous video we have already discussed about the indigenous breeds of the goats. Exotic breeds, that means these breeds are not the native. That means these breeds of the goats, they are from the foreign countries. So this is the first breed, that is nothing but the Boer. Boer goat is a highly meat productive goat breed which originated from South Africa. So this is not from the India. This breed is from the South Africa. They are of a very big sized goat among other popular meat goat breeds. This breed produces milk highly but mostly suitable for meat production. Boer goats are generally white colored with red or brown heads. There are also some completely brown or white colored Boer goats. So these are the different color patterns of the Boer goats. Some of them they are white colored. In some cases brown patches they are present on the head region. Then some goats they are completely brown or completely white colored. They have a pair of long pendulous ear. They are very fast growing goat breeds, and for this reason they are very suitable, and most of the farmers prefer them for commercial goat farming purpose. Boer goats have a very high fertility rates compared to other goat breeds. An adult male Boer goat weighs about 110 to 135 kilograms, and the female weighs about 90 to 100 kilograms. This breed generally used for breeding and meat production, and males are generally used for breeding and meat production, and females they are used for producing the kids. The meat of this breed is very tasty and nutritious. They are very hardy and can adapt themselves with almost all types of weather and climate. They are noted for having high fertility rates and for being fast growing, and their nature is docile, that means quiet. As compared to other goat breeds, Boer does are reported to have superior mothering skills. Boer goat generally consumes the same food as other domestic goat breeds do. They usually love to eat leaves of trees, corns, green grasses, and some other supplementary feeds. So these are some pictures of the Boer goat. So in this picture you can see the entire body is white, but black patches they are present on the head region. Here brown patches present on the head and neck region, and entire body is white. Here also you can see hair and neck region of the brown patch, as well as on the lower legs brown patches they are present. In this case also brown and white color patterns you can observe. This is about the feeding of the Boer goat. This breed generally consume the same food as other domestic breeds. The food material consists of leaves of trees, corns, green grasses, and some other supplementary feeds. If big sized goats are there, they require huge amount of nutritious food. Farmers generally raise medium sized goat for commercial production because they require less food and they are very easy to maintain. You should be very careful in feed management for raising Boer goats. Good food always ensure good health. So always provide them sufficient amount of clean and fresh water as they drinks lot of water daily. This is the second exotic breed, that is Saanen. The Saanen goat originated from Saanen Valley of the Switzerland. They are the largest among all dairy goat breeds. They are mainly raised for commercial milk production like Jamnapuri and Alpine goat. The female Saanen goat produces about 3.8 liters milk daily. Nowadays, Saanen goats are being raised throughout the world. Mainly, Saanen goats are of white color, but sometimes biscuit colored goats can be seen. There are many some black spots in the nose, ears, and udder of this goat. The ears are straight and upwards. Generally, they have no horns. That means horns are absent in the Saanen. When you see the legs, the small sized legs are present. Udder becomes very big sized. When you see the neck, it is long sized. The whole body of this breed is covered with small sized hair. This breed produces milk highly among all dairy goat breeds. They can adapt themselves with the weather of any region of the world. They love to stay under shade and can't tolerate sunlight highly. An adult male Saanen goat weighs about 70 to 90 kilograms and the female weighs about 60 to 70 kilograms. On an average, a female goat produces about 3.8 liters milk daily. The milk of this breed contains about 3.5% fat and this milk is very suitable for preparing all types of dairy or milk products. This type of breed typically breed every year and each type produces one kid or a pair of kids. This is about the feeding of this Saanen breed. As these goats are highly milk productive, so they need some extra proteins and energy with their regular feed. Along with fresh and good food, always provide them fresh and clean water regularly. Then the housing management. Housing is very important for Saanen goats because they love to stay in shady places and they can't tolerate heavy sunlight. A good house also protects them from all types of predators, adverse conditions and all types of diseases. These are the some pictures of the Saanen breed. So In this picture you can see all white colored patterns, they are present in the Saanen breed. Now about the economic importance. Goat is useful to humans when it is living and when it is dead. First, as a renewable provider of milk, manure and fiber, and then as a meat and skin. Some charities provide goats to deprived people in poor countries because goats are easier and cheaper to manage than cattle and have multiple uses. In addition, goats are used for driving and packing purposes in some regions. You know that the meat of the goats has high protein value, and that is why we can take the meat to fulfill our protein requirement. Then the milk, butter and cheese of the goat is also useful for the human beings. Goat being machine milked on an organic farm. Goats produce about 2% of world's total annual milk supply. Some goats are bred specifically for the milk. If strong smelling buck is not separated from the does, his scent will affect the milk. Then as a nutrition, you know that when we feed our infants with the help of goat milk, it has great nutritious value for the feeding infant. Then fiber. Most goats have soft insulating hair near the skin and long guard hairs on the surface. The desirable fiber for textile industry is the former, and it goes by several names. Then land clearing. Goats managing the landscape alongside, and you know that goats have been used by humans to clear unwanted vegetation for centuries. So if unwanted vegetation is there, at that time the goats, they graze on that place, and unwanted vegetation is cleared by the goats. Goats can be used for medical training, because when we study the anatomy and physiology of the goat, so at that time we know that there is no much difference in the anatomy and physiology of the goat and the humans. So this can be used for medical training. In some countries, militaries used goats to train for the fights. Thank you.